Okay, y'all, I forgot to show you. This is my the helmet, and I got the GoPro mounted on the top. I got the GoPro mounted on the top of the helmet, the Airflight helmet, Airflight Synthwave helmet. You see it glow in the dark. Got the lightning. You can see the lightning bolt and the lightning bolt pattern in it. And the neon, and glow in the dark. It's not a real bright glow, but you can see it at night. You can kind of see it a little bit. You can kind of see it a little bit right here. You see the lightning in it. But yeah, this is where we're gonna have the GoPro mounted on, and this is where we ride. Yamaha 600 YZF. See. See, I cleaned it up. Shine, you know. And this is as I said, this is the Airflight Synthwave helmet with the lightning bolt. And you see the cassette player in the back.